Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
There are three kinds of words in Arabic. First is ism. An ism is a name of a person, place, thing, idea, adjective, adverb, and more. But be careful, ism is not equals to noun because noun only has the name of a person, place, thing, animal, etc. But ism also includes adjective, adverb, and much more. Next is fi'l. Fi'l is a word which is stuck in time. That is to say, a word which is in the past, present, or future tense. A fi'l is comparable to a verb. Next comes harf. Harf is any word that makes no sense unless it is followed by any other word. So, harf does not have a meaning of its own. Its meaning is understood by the word that follows it. It is equivalent in English to prepositions, conjunctions, prefixes, articles, and much more. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.